Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Sam Maths Clinic. Today I will be showing you how to find the standard form of numbers, or rather how to write whole numbers and decimal numbers in standard form. Let's take an example. If you have 10, you can write 10 as 10 raised to power 1. Okay? The same thing also applies for 0.1. This is a decimal number. 0.1 can also be written as 10 raised to power minus 1. 10 raised to power minus 1, according to the law of indices, is 1 over 10 raised to power 1, which is the same thing as 0.1. If you have 100, is 10 raised to power 2. Also, if you have 0.01, is 10 raised to power minus 2. Because you're having 2 digits after the decimal point. Okay, and so on like that. Let's assume you have 1 million. Okay, 1 million will be 10 raised to power 6. If you also have 0.000001, it will be 10 raised to power minus 7. This will be 10 raised to power minus 7 because you're having 7 digits after the decimal point. Now this concept is what will help you to write numbers in standard form. Let's take an example for whole numbers. If you are to write 4 million in standard form, okay, the natural number here is 4 and this is 4 million. Now you can count how many digits do you have here. You have 7 digits. So after the first digit, how many digits is remaining? 6. So which means 4 million in standard form is 4.0 or 4 times 10 raised to the power of 6. If you have 4200,000 for an instance, here you have 2 natural numbers. It will be 4.2 times 10 raised to the power of 6. What about if you have 42? 42, it will be 4.2 times 10 raised to the power of 1. Of course, you have 2 digits. Then after the first digit is remaining just 1 digit. That's 10 raised to the power of 1. What about if you have only 4? Now, when you have only 4, remember that according to the law of indices, 10 raised to the power 0 is what? Is 1. Or any digit raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this will be 4 times 10 raised to the power 0. So 10 raised to the power 0 is 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. So this will help you to write any whole number in standard form. All you need to do is when you introduce your decimal point after the first digit, you count the remaining digits, and that will form your power of 10. What about the decimal number? The same concept also applies, just a little different. For an example, if you have 0.004, if you are to write 0.004 in standard form, you have 3 digits after the decimal point. So it will be 4.0 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. What about if you have 0.00042? Now you have 2 natural numbers. So the decimal point comes after the first natural number, which is 4.2. Okay, so now you only count the digits from here to 4. You don't count the 2 because you have introduced decimal point after the 4. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 10 raised to the power of minus 4. What if it is 0.000425? Still the same concept. 4.25. You still count up to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. What if you have 0.4? The answer will be what? 4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. Okay, so this is how you write decimal number in standard form. Just know, of course, the number of digits you have after the decimal point. But when you have 2 natural numbers or 3 natural numbers, after the decimal point is being introduced to after the first natural number, so you only count the digits you have before the point. After the point, any digit that is remaining will not be counted, and that will determine your power. So this is just this short form of how you can easily, write the standard form of numbers. Thank you very much. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and help me to like and share this video.